Topic 1. What will you shoot visually with this camera? Now, I'm talking about how much of what will you shoot. It's going to be either photos or videos, right? So how much of that are you going to be shooting with this camera? 50-50, 70-30, 30-70, or 100% in one or 100% in the other? Now, as far as 50-50 and 70-30, I would say for 50-50, Canon takes the cake on this one because Canon has amassed a brand that has a whole bunch of cameras, probably more cameras in any lineup, that allows you to do the most for the cheapest cost, and it gives you a lot of specs and features that people are going to need for both. I'm not saying they're mastering in one. I'm just saying with flip out screens, they probably have the more flip out screens than any other brand. And the flip out screens flip out towards the actual person that's vlogging. And Panasonic has flip out screens that flip the same way that Canons do, but they're different. And then you have Sony would come in second place in this factor. Sony is a close second because Sony has a decent amount of newer cameras that give you the image quality that you want, that give you the lens selection that you want, things of that nature. 70-30 and 30-70, I would still go with either Canon or Sony on that one. As far as the 100%ers, for 100% video, I would either choose Sony or Canon. But as far as the 100% photo, I would actually go with Nikon because Nikon has great photographing cameras. Now, people say, oh, the color science is a little greenish or whatever, but the skin tone is a little bit off. Yeah, people give it that. But at the end of the day, Nikon is a solid photographic camera. It competes pretty much neck and neck with the Canon as far as photography is concerned. It's way better at dynamic range and low light at higher ISOs. So, for example, if you're taking pictures in a gym and you don't have any light to use other than the lights that they give you, and you're taking pictures of your son, your daughter, or whatever, and things of that nature, you're going to want a Nikon because Nikon gives you way more dynamic range and they give you better sensors for the actual amount of money that you're